In this quick scheduler tutorial, we'll show you how to make bulk changes to your playlist dates and image durations using Scheduler's newest features. No more editing cards one by one. Let's see how easy it is to update everything at once. To quickly change a card's start or end date, just click the date range right below the card title, right from your playlist. Bulk date changes. Have even more changes? Use the new tool to update multiple card date ranges at once. So to do this, first edit a playlist and adjust the start and end dates there at the top. Then use the new button to apply these dates below. Push these dates to all cards or adjust the expired ones. This one's great for extending content. And if you make a mistake, not a problem. You can always revert to the original dates before submitting your changes. And as before, you can still tap into a card to edit details individually or to set advanced schedules. Image durations. Make quick changes to image durations within playlists without entering each item. We know that one could become tedious. First, let's look at new image cards. So you can set hold times with the duration field, and you can edit all hold times at once using the shortcut at the bottom of the list. Now, if you have existing cards, you can see the durations below the card name, and you can apply updates in bulk using the same shortcut at the bottom of the list. If preferred, card durations can still be set individually if needed. Just click into the card and update the field. So, in summary, you can now quickly preview dates and durations, make bulk edits to image durations, bulk edits to scheduling dates, and have become a Scheduler Pro. And YouTube thinks you'd find this video helpful. Good grief, how many times do you have to say bulk in one video?